Hello my friends, welcome to TubeU channel. Today I will explain some new features about the Pi Node application which was released several days ago. As the video showed, on Pi Today, the Pi Core team released Pi Node version 0.5.2, and shortly after, they upgraded it to version 0.5.3, which fixed some new bugs. One key upgrade from version 0.5.2 is that the Pi Node app has been renamed to Pi Desktop and now includes Pi Node, Pi Mining app, and utilities like Pi App Studio. These changes make the app more general, accurate, and open to integrations. We can now access the Pi app through the desktop with a larger screen, making it easier to control. For example, browsing the chat room from the desktop is much easier to read and write comments. And you can access Pi utilities, which makes it very simple and useful to develop and manage your applications. Yes, now it's easier to create your own Pi app through the Pi Desktop platform. You can download the application from the official homepage. The link is in the description below. minepi.com/pi-blockchain/pi-node. Select the correct operating system. I will use the Windows version. Install it as the instructions. Log in and it will show the sign code. Then open your smartphone Pi app, click the 3-bar icon, and choose Node. Input the sign code into your smartphone, and your desktop computer and smartphone Pi app will pair together. Of course, it encourages you to download the Pi Node and run it on your computer, which we've already done before. So, is it possible to install the Pi Desktop Pi Node and have two nodes running at the same time? I suppose the whole process works like this. If you run a new node, the old node will keep running, which might give us more bonuses, or it might disconnect the old node and choose the new one instead. But based on Pi Node policy, only one node is available. I don't suggest running them together. I just use this new Pi Desktop as a terminal window to monitor Pi Node activity and develop apps. The old node computer will keep running solely, giving me continuous bonuses as well. I hope this short video helps you a little. If you find my content help you a little, please consider subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot for me. Thanks for watching.